Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send links in Kik. Whether it is a website link, a video or a image link, I will cover it all. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your Kik app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Now select the chat where you want to send a link. You can either tap on an existing conversation, or if you start a new chat, just tap the new chat icon and choose the person you want to message. Before sending the link, you will need to copy it from the app or browser you are using. So if you are sharing a website, open your browser, find the page you want to share and then copy the URL from the address bar. You can also copy the link from other apps like YouTube or Instagram. So if I want to share this one, I'll just copy the link and go back to my Kik account and tap into the text box at the bottom of the chat and paste the link by holding the text box and tapping paste. You can also simply type out the URL if you prefer. So okay, mine is attached here. Now that your link is in the chat, just tap the send button. The link will be sent to the other person in the chat. Sometimes Kik will automatically generate a preview of the link like an image, thumbnail or a short description of the website. If it is a YouTube video or a link to a picture, you will see a preview pop up right in the chat. It's just as easy as sending a single link. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.